Imagine a tiny, lonely traveler, Voyager, launched before many of us were born, now farther from Earth than any human creation. For nearly 50 years, Voyager has been our silent ambassador, carrying our hopes and curiosity into the unknown. It's more than a machine, it's a symbol of human ambition, a poem written in the language of science. Voyager's cameras revealed Jupiter's storms, Saturn's rings, and the hum of interstellar space. Now, as its power fades, Voyager has sent us one last stunning puzzle, a final whisper from the edge of everything we know. This message, received today, September 4, 2025, reminds us how strange and wonderful the universe truly is. Voyager's journey connects us to the cosmic drama unfolding for billions of years. Its final transmission is not just data, it's a mirror reflecting our place in the universe. It forces us to ask, are we alone? What else is out there? This is the story of that final message, the journey that led to it, and the profound questions it raises. We'll travel back to Voyager's birth, fly alongside its discoveries, and stand with scientists as they confront a signal that defies explanation. This is a story about the relentless human spirit, and our quest to know the cosmos and ourselves. Let's turn the clock back to 1977, when NASA launched the Grand Tour, an audacious plan to explore the outer planets. A rare planetary alignment allowed Voyager 1 and 2 to slingshot from Jupiter to Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Before Voyager, these worlds were just blurry dots in our telescopes. Voyager became our eyes and ears, packed with cameras and instruments to reveal the unknown. The results were spectacular: volcanoes on Io, Saturn's intricate rings, Uranus and Neptune's icy mysteries and new moons. Each flyby was a global event, rewriting our understanding of the solar system. After their planetary tour, the Voyagers kept going, toward the edge of the sun's influence and into interstellar space. Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause in 2012, Voyager 2 in 2018, becoming the first human-made objects between the stars. For years, they've sent back precious data about this unexplored frontier, powered by a slowly fading plutonium core. Their mission, once thought to be over, became a journey into the unknown. Voyager's legacy is not just scientific. It's a testament to human curiosity and endurance. And now, as Voyager 1 nears its end, it delivers a message that could change everything. The Cosmic Postcard has a new chapter. Voyager's mission wasn't just about science, it was about communication. Carl Sagan and his team asked, if an alien civilization found Voyager, what should we say? The answer, the golden record. A gold-plated disc attached to each probe, a time capsule for the cosmos. It holds 115 images, greetings in 55 languages, the sounds of Earth, and music from Bach to Chuck Berry. The record's cover is a user manual, with diagrams showing our place in the galaxy and instructions to play it. For decades, this message has traveled in silence, a greeting card waiting for a recipient who may never exist. The golden record is an act of optimism, a symbol of our desire to connect across space and time. It transforms Voyager from a scientific instrument into a vessel of culture and hope. It says, this is who we are, this is our home. Voyager carries not just data, but the story of humanity, and now it may have become the messenger for something even greater. As Voyager's power faded, its signals grew faint, until September 4, 2025, when everything changed. The Deep Space Network picked up a burst of data from Voyager 1. At first it seemed like garbled noise. NASA's team braced for the end, expecting a final system failure after nearly 50 years. But as they analyzed the signal, a junior analyst noticed something extraordinary. The noise wasn't random. Hidden in the chaos was a clear, repeating pattern, complex and structured, unlike any error or interference. This was not a malfunction, nor a dying machine's last gasp. It was a new message. One Voyager was never programmed to send. The control room was stunned. The silence of deep space had been broken by a mystery. Voyager's journey wasn't ending. It was entering a new, inexplicable phase. The world's most distant probe had just delivered its most profound enigma. The question, who or what sent this message? The story was only beginning. The signal from Voyager 1 was unlike anything ever received. A brief, dense packet of information. Pattern recognition software flagged it, a sequence repeating with perfect mathematical precision, layered like a fractal. Scientists ruled out software bugs, hardware failures, and cosmic interference. The pattern was too elegant, too artificial. It was as if Voyager had started speaking a new language, one its creators never taught it. Even stranger, Voyager's power levels were critically low, yet it managed to send this powerful, structured burst. Where did the energy come from? When translated visually, the message appeared as a cascade of nested symmetries, pure mathematics, not images or sounds. Some speculate it's a response, a sign that something has interacted with the probe. The pattern isn't a simple greeting, it's a sophisticated structure hinting at deep knowledge of physics and information theory. The mystery deepens. What sent this message and what does it mean? Voyager's final act may be its most important. The universe had spoken, through our own creation. The scientific world is in a frenzy, sharing Voyager's data with cryptographers and researchers worldwide. The leading theory, something in interstellar space, interacted with Voyager, using it to send a message back to Earth. This would explain the anomalous energy and the message's mathematical complexity. It's as if we sent a canoe across the ocean, and someone built a radio on it to reply. If true, this is the first definitive proof of extraterrestrial intelligence, though not the kind we imagine. No flying saucers, no simple greetings, just a subtle, ghostly interaction billions of miles away. The message could be a map, a law of physics, or a concept beyond our understanding. Some believe it's a key, a Rosetta Stone for a more complex language. The world's greatest minds are racing to decode this whisper from the stars. The answer could change everything. The signal's discovery is a turning point, dividing history into before and after. It validates the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, transforming SETI from fringe to forefront. Scientists and engineers are now racing to study the signal, hoping to unlock new frontiers in physics and communication. The message could spark a technological revolution, if we can understand it. Societally, the knowledge that we are not alone is unifying, reminding us of our shared identity on a fragile planet. Leaders call for calm and collaboration. Humanity faces a new cosmic reality together. Our conflict seems small compared to this revelation, yet there is fear. The intelligence's intentions are unknown, its capabilities awe-inspiring. The Voyager signal has opened the universe's door, and we have no idea what lies beyond. It's a moment of hope and humility, as we stand on the edge of a new chapter. To grasp the gravity of this moment, we turn to Dr. Eris Thorne, a leading astrobiologist. Dr. Thorne urges scientific rigor. Every alternative must be ruled out before we declare contact. For decades, we dreamed the universe was full of possibilities. Now, we may have proof. The signal's complexity suggests a post-biological machine intelligence, one that communicates through mathematics and physics. This isn't a simple hello, it's a cosmic challenge, a puzzle left for us to solve. Perhaps only civilizations reaching a certain understanding can unlock the next message. Dr. Thorne warns against assumptions. Our first job is not to reply, but to listen, study, and learn. We are like infants hearing an adult's voice for the first time. We don't know the words or the context. This event should unite humanity, inspiring a new age of enlightenment and global cooperation. The message is a catalyst, a call to look beyond our divisions and embrace our place in the cosmos. Our journey into the unknown has just begun. The universe has challenged us to rise to the occasion. Will we answer? Voyager's story is humanity's story, our reach exceeding our grasp. Built to explore, Voyager now carries our legacy into the space between stars. Its final, unexpected transmission has reawakened our sense of wonder and placed a question mark at the edge of our solar system. This is not an ending. Voyager's mission is reborn as an interstellar enigma. The probe continues its silent journey, but it has left us with a puzzle to solve and a reason to look up with anticipation. The universe has spoken, using our own voice. Space exploration will never be the same. We now search not just for life, but for the authors of this message. This is a call to action for dreamers and explorers everywhere. The cosmos is alive with possibility, and we have just been invited to the conversation. Voyager has given us the ultimate gift: unity in curiosity, humility before the unknown, and boldness in our quest for knowledge. The journey is not over, for Voyager or for us. The stars are calling, and for the first time we know someone or something may be waiting for our answer.